How to enable Bixby and Hey Google at a time on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you say Hey Google, then you can see my Google Assistant is enabled. Now you need to enable your Bixby now. If you press the side button, then you can see Bixby is enabled. How to set up it first? Volume down and power button press and hold together. Then you can see the side button setting. Just go to long press and select as Bixby. Now go to your setting and search here Bixby. Then you can see the Bixby setting. Go to Bixby setting, sign in with your Gmail account. Now complete the process. Once done, press on agree. Now Google send a code. You just need to confirm it with other phone. 953568. So once confirmation complete, then press on get start, then press on continue. Now you have to complete a pattern to set up your Bixby actually. So just complete the process. Now press on start. Continue. Now let's try. If you press on, then you can see Bixby is enabled, but Bixby, hey Google, you can see Google Assistants, Bixby, and say Bixby, hey Google. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.